Okay, here's my nominal engine update. I had a little time to work on it today, about 3 hours. So, once again, this is the combustion chamber and the cylinder sleeve at the same time. It's going to compress like this in a standing wave motion. This is the cylinder head here. Okay. So far, so good. Now, plasma does not like to be compressed. It's a fluid. It likes nominal displacement. This would be the same thing as having a turbine engine. Okay. So this is the cylinder. This is just a test connecting rod so I can blueprint the engine. Crankshaft here. Sealed bearing crankshaft. But if you notice, I have two bearings on the crankshaft. An inner and an outer bearing. See that? Okay. So I just got to tap the hole here. It's just a short hole. It'll go in here. I'll cut off the connecting rod. So this will go in here like this. There'll be another one of these clamps welded on to here, like so. But this one, so here's the piston. Let me put this over here. See the piston down in there? Okay, it's nice and tight. And this will be the cylinder head. The cylinder head will get bolted up to the top up here and welded when I figure out where it's going to go. Okay, then I can unclamp it and take it apart. Fits nice and tight. Okay, it goes like that. It goes like that. And there you go. Pretty cool, huh? There's a lot of ideas with this, but it's going to be an over square engine because when the compression comes up, it's going to expand. It'll be air cooled, and it'll move like this, just like that. Nominal displacement engine for fluid. Plasma fluid and steam, exploding CO2. All right, thank you and have a good day. Talk to you soon.